Hi students, I am Dinesh, chemistry faculty. Today our topic is acid, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. So AP State Board Syllabus CC pattern, and I will explain you this in depth, and each and every question you can answer, and important questions also what frequently they are asking. Those questions also I will explain you in a CC pattern. Okay, we know that all the substances throughout the world chemically classified into three types, right? All the substances chemically classified into three types. Those are: first one acid, second one base, third one salt. What are the practical examples for acid? Lemon water or lemon juice. Juice is acid. Base example: soap water, soap water. Salt example is table salt, or common salt. It's what we are using in household purpose. And we learned in previous classes some of the properties. Just I will recall those properties. So acid is a substance which have sour in taste, and which convert acid plus, which convert blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red. So red in color. Next one, base. What is meant by base? Base is a substance, we know that, bitter in taste, right? Bitter in taste. So actually in litmus test, what litmus we are taking here? Red litmus. So to test the base, we are taking red litmus. Litmus gives what color? Blue in color. So it will give blue. And then we'll see one of the image to understand this one, that I will show you. So I will show you the image, you can understand clearly. See this one. So what you observe here, see, this is acid. So are you understanding here? This is acid, and here blue litmus become red, and this is base, and red litmus become blue in color. So blue and it become red. So I will change the color, it is in red. So this is the conversion, we can say. Next we will see what about the salt. So I will take salt with litmus, no change in color. So no change in color. So do you understand this one? Next you go for So some of the questions I will ask you, you try to answer these questions. First question is, if someone in your family is suffering from acidity, what remedy you will give? So the question is, if someone in your family suffering from acidity, what remedy you give? So I will give the options for this. First option is lemon juice. That means if in your family someone is troubling with or suffering with gastric trouble, what suggestion you will give? So to has to drink lemon juice, or second one vinegar, and third one baking soda, and fourth one none. So what is the answer? Try to think. The answer is, we know that, baking soda. You're gonna mix baking soda into water and you can drink baking soda. Why? Because baking soda is in basic in color, basic in nature. Because basic in nature. So in our stomach, what acid is present? HCl is acid is present, and the baking powder is base. So what is the baking powder? NaHCO3, and what will takes place? Neutralization takes place. Neutralization takes place. Stomach will cool. So this we can explain, or I explain you later. Another question I'm gonna ask you. So that is, how can you test acid practically? Whether we have two solutions, so how can you test which one is the acid, which one is the base? So we know litmus test, right? So any other solutions are there, any other tests are there, or any other materials are there to test acid bases? So is there, those are called acid base indicators. Acid base indicators. So how many types of acid base indicators are there? So we'll see, literally we'll classify into two types: natural indicators, second one synthetic indicators. So natural indicators, synthetic indicators you can classify so many. So pH paper, and another one is universal indicators. So this two we can classify: universal indicator pH paper and universal indicator, two only. And see, so we'll discuss first natural indicators. So first one, natural indicators. So I will explain you natural indicators now. So natural indicators, we don't know, the litmus is a natural indicators, but it is right. Litmus is a natural indicator. How can you say? It is a dye. What is meant by dye? Is a color. Dye extracted from lichen. So extracted from lichen. It's a Thallophyta family. So I will explain you, I will show you the image for this lichen. So this is the lichen. So did you see, this is the lichen. So Thallophyta family. And next I want to explain you about second natural indicator, that is extractor of red cabbage. Extract of red cabbage. So red cabbage extraction also we can use as an indicator, but how it changes. Litmus, we know how it changes. Once you see litmus, so litmus, so I'll explain you here. Litmus, once again I will recall. So acid plus, so litmus, what it gives? Red. So remember how to remember this one. Always acid is a dangerous color. Dangerous color.